Yesterday, they had a meeting, and the Goondaism, the violence, the threats in a peaceful Congress party meeting is again a manifestation of frustration of the BJP. So according to me, we will definitely write, but Election Commission suo motu should take cognizance of this incidents, like what has happened in Marmagua constituency, what has happened yesterday in Satari, what is happening. So we will definitely write this and also on other issues.
And suddenly, out of nowhere, the instigated group of the BJP suddenly turns up on the stage on the side in spite of police presence and starts stoning the podium and abusive language against the leader of opposition and myself. The issue is political. There's nothing to do with water or electricity, because everybody in Goa knows that Sattari is the only place and only taluka where there is a water treatment plant in every panchayat area. And there is a lot of gambling and drugs going on in Sattari. Recently there was an area which has been raided, and the police at the highest level took action, and they found gambling and actually a casino table in one of those places close to the temple. And they were raided and some people were put behind bars. Drugs are openly being circulated in Sattari, so this is a group that is being instigated. My allegation is that this group is being instigated by the so-called candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who feels that he has a chance, but I feel such incidents are only going to polarize the people against the Bharatiya Janata Party. People should not forget that this candidate, this boy, is just a young boy who has no experience in politics. It is very easy to make tall claims. Their meetings are not well attended. The frustration of the BJP is because their meetings are not being well attended, and they're getting people from outside and making these numbers of 2,000, 2,500 with great difficulty, even after getting people from outside, while we get a response of more than 500-600 people in every panchayat area. The BJP is frustrated